What's up, guys? So I'm going for a walk near my current condo here in Davao. Try not to step in a puddle while I walk and talk. Going to find a carinderia. I saw a couple of my walks the last few days. They look really good because you can see all the food as you're walking by. So we're gonna pop in there, maybe practice my Bisaya a little bit. It's not great, but we'll see how far I can get just speaking Bisaya, or if they'll even respond to me in Bisaya. A lot of times they just speak English back to me. So let's see how that goes. I'm gonna put the camera on my chest and we'll see together how it goes. We'll see you. Bye. Ay, mayong buntag.
Mayong buntag, sir.
Pwede ko mupalit usa isda? Isda. Usa ka diri? Yeah, kaon diri, yes. Let's see. Usa ka kankon? Unsa ni?
Bicol Express.
Okay. Usa, yeah. And then duha ka rice. Yep. And pico.
Okay.
Salamat. Hi. Good morning. Good. Yes, ma'am. You know. Okay. All right. So we had a pretty successful breakfast. We got Bicol Express, Kangkong, and fried fish and 2 rice. It was $140, so that's like $250. Now we went and got some more Spanish latte from my favorite place nearby. They asked me not to film inside. I guess they were nervous. They were all like laughing the whole time I was there, so maybe that's uncommon. So anyway, just enjoy the coffee and then we'll go back. Hey. We're gonna get some pizza, but we can't record audio inside because, like everywhere in the Philippines, they love playing music at top volume. So we're gonna go in and enjoy our pizza, and I'll do a little voiceover. Bye.
All right, guys. So we're going to Fabian's Pizza in Davao City. It's in the Matina Town Square area. You can see they're back there cooking the burgers I requested. Plenty of flame on the grill. I'm gonna cut it off for a second and come back when we got my food. Here's the pizza. It actually looks really good. It comes with some different hot sauces on the table, some chili oil. The pizza looks nice. There's something about Filipino pizza though that I don't enjoy, and mostly that's because it's always very moist. And you'll see when I pick up this piece of pizza, it kind of flops. Like the bottom is very, very blonde. Yeah, see how it's never done on the bottom. I probably bought 10 pizzas in my time in the Philippines, and they're always kind of like this, very soft. At least this one has good quality cheese. A lot of times I have problems with the Eden cheese here because it's kind of like a fake cheese product. But this is real mozzarella. Everything was good. I watched them make it in the back by hand. I just kind of wish they would cook it a little bit more on bottom so it has a little crisp to it. But for overall, it was good. I think the cost here was 400 pesos, maybe 350 for the cheese pizza. They had several different kinds, some with mushrooms and different stuff. You can see, again, I'm like holding up the flop. We're going to try the different sauces. The hot sauces were okay, not super spicy. I think one thing with the pizza here is I've learned that Filipinos really love sauce. Like if you order a burger, they're going to put 6 ounces of sauce, probably 2 or 3 sauces on it. It will come like in a soup bowl because there's just so much sauce on everything. And it's taken me a while to get used to that. Most of the time I just request no sauce because it's just too much. So I think the problem with the pizza is they put way too much tomato sauce on it. And then it's just like very soupy in the middle. But overall, the flavor here was really good. If you don't care about a crispy pizza, this might be just the one for you. I'm also waiting for my burgers to come out. I got the giant double cheeseburger that they make, and then this cheese pizza, which was a lot for me, but I ended up packing it up, the extras, and taking it home for Daisy to eat for dinner. I'm watching them make my burgers in the back now, because I know if I eat this whole pizza, I'm not going to be full. But we'll get back to it, and we'll see you in a second for the burger. Alright, here's the burger. Now the burger turned out really well. You can see they griddled the bun. It's got some nice real American cheese. It's got ketchup and mustard. Looks like relish, tomatoes, pickles. A little bit of everything. Very classic. I wish there was some mayo on it, but I mean, you know, beggars can't be choosers. For the Philippines, this is a high quality American burger. I don't like tomatoes, so I'm going to take those off. But I mean, I'm 6'4". You can tell how big that burger is next to me. It's still huge. I can barely get it in my mouth. But it was delicious. I watched the guy in back make the burgers. You can see the steam coming off. The bun was very good quality. I think the burger, if I was going to go here again to Fabian's, would definitely get the burger. You can see in the back, they've tried to do a little bit of a like 50s style diner with some records on the wall. There were some old school posters. The decor was pretty cute. It wasn't very big, maybe enough for, I don't know, 10 or 15 people to sit inside, but there's a huge outdoor area as well, and it's kind of like in an alley off the main street. There's quite a few little restaurants in this alley, so I would recommend it. It had high reviews on Reddit when I went online. I was trying to find the best pizza in Davao, and Reddit's a pretty good place. If you go into a new city, people will tell you where to go. So it was between this and Little Italy, and Fabian seemed to have the best reviews overall. I would say the pizza tastes good. If I came here again, I would just do the burger. And even in America, I loved going to find the best burgers I could. So I feel like I'm a little bit of an expert on a burger. So this one is very high quality. I mean, just look at the meat, look at the steam coming off. It's so nice and fresh. I really enjoyed this meal. I think the burger was $250, maybe 200. I forget exactly, but it was worth it. I think it was $4 or $5 for the burger. I don't believe it came with fries, so I just got the burger plain and the pizza. But for me, that's a good meal. I'm trying to take my time here because I definitely ate half that pizza before the burger came out. But it was delicious. I would say Davao City has some really great burger places. I think I went to the Griddle, which had a great burger. This place, the DGT Night Market, had a smash burger place. Quite a few. I'm trying to think of another good burger place that we went to. The Dirty Sanchez Taco place had burgers, but we didn't try them there, but they also looked good. I saw someone else eating it. I'm going to go in here and try to crush some more of this pizza. I think overall this was a great meal. Would I come here again? Yes, but only for the burger. So anyway, guys, sorry for no audio on this. There's so much music playing in the background at the maximum volume, so it can't be monetized if those songs are in the background. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If there's anything else I should try later, let me know. I'll be going back to Davao pretty soon. Thanks a lot, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.